morning students. Today we will continue our fourth chapter and now we are taking our exercise 4.1. What is given in the question? The following data refer to the height in centimeter of 10 students of a class. Find range and coefficient of range of height of the students. So students, first of all, as we have seen in the formulas, we have to find the highest value and the lowest value. So highest value we denote by xh. So in this question, highest value is 185. Next, the lowest value, that is xl. So lowest value is 145. Now students, we will find range. Range, or you can be told to find absolute measure of range. So students, if this wording is given in the question, it means absolute measure, that is the range. So formula is xh minus xl. xh 185, xl 145. So answer is 40. Now students, what is the unit of measurement that is given in the question? Centimeter. So here students, it is important to write the unit of measurement, and after this we will write the concluding statement. Range of height of students is equals to 40 centimeter. Next, we have been told to find coefficient of range. So next is coefficient of range, or you can be told to find relative measure of range. So absolute measure, that is simple range, and relative measure, it means coefficient of range. So here students will write the formula, that is range upon xh plus xl. So range already we have find, that is 40, xh 185, and this one is 145. So 40 upon 330, and answer is 0.12. Now students, this we have find, that is coefficient of range, and this is free from the unit of measurement. So here we will not write any unit of measurement, and in the last we will write the concluding statement, that is coefficient of range of height of students is equals to 0.12. So here students, as you are seeing, coefficient of range of height of students is only 0.12. So if the coefficient of range of a population is small, so it can be said that variability is less in the values of the population. It means the values of the observation are not far from each other. So it may be asked in the question to write the interpretation. So what will be the interpretation? As coefficient of range of height of students is 0.12, then it can be said that variability is less in the height of students. So in this way we can write the interpretation also. Next students, question number 2 we are taking, that is of the discrete frequency distribution. A bus company has 77 buses for traveling in a city. The information of number of passengers in bus on a particular day at a particular time is given below. Find range and coefficient of range of number of passenger. Now students, number of passenger and number of buses are given to us. So we are required to find the value of XH and XL. Now students, in this type of question, discrete frequency distribution, the first value, it means the least value will be the value of XL. So here XL is 2 and the highest value, it means the last value will be the XH. So XH is equals to 37, and after that we can apply the formula. We can put formula of range, that is XH minus XL, that 37 minus 2 is equals to 35, and here we have to write the information is given about the passenger. So 35 passengers. Next students, coefficient of range. Coefficient of range is equals to R upon XH plus XL, and we can put the values in the formula. R is equals to 35, here 37 plus 2, so 35 upon 39, so the answer is 0.90. Now students, we will take the question number 4 and we will learn how to find the value of range in the continuous frequency distribution. So what is given in the question? The frequency distribution of daily income of 80 shops of an area is as follows. Find an absolute and relative measure of range of daily income from it. So students, here we have been given question daily income in 1000 rupees and number of shops. So students, again we have to find these two values. So here students, we will see the first class and first class lower limit, that is 5. So this is the least value, so this will become XL. So XL is 5, first class lower limit, and now we will go to the last class higher limit, that is 34. So this is the value of XH. So XH is equals to 34. Now students, we will find the range. Range is equals to XH minus XL. So 34 minus 5 is equals to 29. Now students, unit of measurement is given as the 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. Next students, we have to find coefficient, relative measure of range, that is coefficient of range. So coefficient of range is equals to R XH plus XL. So R is 29 and XH 34 plus 5. So 29 upon 39, so the value is 0.74. So in this way we have to solve the question. I hope students, this method is clear to you.